Oh, you gotta get the pressure out of this first. There you go. Okay. I think I'm catching some of that. We can get this thing to come up in temperature a little bit here. It's coming up there now a bit, but come on. See, she's going up there now. Come on. There, she's almost 12 o'clock. So like that's all it's taking right now. So I really got to get the thermostat to open. That'll pull that all in. Right now it's way higher than it was, say, last night when it was broke. I should have probably got a little video of it, but it was down around the quarter line and we took it for a 45-minute drive, so thermostat just failed open and she wasn't holding the heat. The one I bought's 203 degrees or something. There was others that were like 91 or 92, but I figured I'd get the 203, and I think that's what it said it needed anyway. Like that's what the original one was, so she's pretty near there. Oh, take for a little drive, see what we got here. Not a whole lot leaked out though, so. And I didn't add a lot, so it might be good. Sometimes you get an air bubble though, and it'll give you a little trouble trying to get it out, but we'll find out here. Might as well keep it on the road. Even moved. Just sitting there. The feet are freezing, we might as well see if the heat works. We'll put it this way, it should be overheating by now. So, a little hot by now. We'll put this thing in the ditch. Geez, that thing's just solid. You're not moving at all. It's from Rock Auto. It's not the cheapest one. Like, it's not the $4 one, but I also didn't buy the $80 one. I bought like the $30 one. And that's what I usually do. I don't buy the one you're supposed to. And I don't buy the cheap one. I buy the middle of the road one. The feet are still cold, so it ain't working that good. That don't wave. It conveniently looks down every time I drive by. I guess we'll see. Needle hasn't moved really, so I guess it's good. Man, coolant tastes pretty good. I don't know why they make it tasty. If you're thirsty, I'd probably drink it. Here you go.